Ryan said I gotta bring the hype, so this is the intro I came up with. Put the clip in. Hi, welcome part 6. That's it. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Sometimes you just gotta start with this truck is going to Sema. Throwback to the OG 2019 Sema build, or whatever that build was, our first vlog. But in all seriousness, welcome to part 6, the final part of the build. We just got it jacked up, and we're just gonna start going ham with all of the stuff on our list. So we gotta mount rock lights, we gotta wire bumper lights, rear lights, grill lights, rock lights. We gotta do badges for the 4Runner, the Toyota, mounting the train horns, wire them, custom grill, skid plate, rotor dust shield, drive shafts, sponsor stickers, alignment, ride height, brake lines, bleed brakes, plaque on the FabTech, and do a winch hook. Today is Wednesday, but this thing leaves tomorrow, so yeah, it's not good. So it's gonna be like chaos and just whatever happens today.
Do you feel like it sits pretty level?
I don't know, we need a tape measure.
I mean, I think it looks pretty
Honestly, it doesn't look bad, and the front bumper and winch and lights and everything are on the front. So with the rear bumper, hitch,
and when everything's set,
everything is gonna probably go way down.
Now how am I gonna drive this?
You're not.
I am, that's my daily driver.
Oh. So we just got that dust shield on. Now we're moving on to our brake lines. Brake lines are filled with brake fluid, and brake fluid is very corrosive. So we're gonna do our very, very best to not get any brake fluid on the powder coat, and if we do, we gotta clean it off very quickly. So that's what your job is you're gonna be my powder coat protector. So we kind of rushed the drive shaft situation, and I told them, this is my mistake, I told them to not powder coat these because I thought they were a slip yoke and they're exposed, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Hold that and shake it. Yeah, I'm gonna work on the hooky. I gotta pull up the YouTube video and figure it out, but basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this and do some things and then it'll be on. Cassie, if you're watching, thanks for letting me use the kitchen shears on your Sema. Uh-oh. We've gotten a couple things done. We're getting like a lot of little details fine-tuned. We got our little winch spliced. We can kind of adjust that, you know, left to right. I think it's like pretty centered. I think it looks good, so I'm pretty happy with it. We got our brake lines in now, which means we also have to bleed the brakes, and bleeding them on this is kind of a pain. I'm gonna adjust the height. I wanna move the collar. So like we measure the thread distance. I wanna go 1/4 of an inch on each side. That way the front will just sit slightly higher. We're just doing like little tweaks, you know, flip these bolts. We got our exhaust in. Don't touch it, don't look at it. But it's about 1/8 of an inch from there, and about 1/2 an inch from there, and then about I don't know, 1/8 of an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch. So everywhere you look, it's just really, really close. We got our train horns in, pulls hitch in, and then, yeah, adjust the height, and then probably start bleeding the brakes. Ryan took off, all the guys took off. I actually just finished cleaning the shop. Check out what time it is. So yeah, it's already pretty late. We are going to do a lot of boring stuff. So I'm gonna set you guys on a time lapse as I wire all the rock lights and whatever else we do, and we'll check back in with you once we're done doing some wiring.
Halfway there?
Halfway there.
How you feeling?
We're more than halfway. Feel pretty good, except for the accident we were involved in.
The ratchet strap's holding up pretty well.
Many hours later.
All right, well, it's the next day, and we made it.
I think everyone's a little bit tired.
You know, what time was it when we finally went to sleep?
4 in the morning.
The last clips I did at the gas station in Salinas.
Yeah, basically last night we were driving and I was turning left, and I looked to my left, no cars, looked to my right, traffic was like completely stopped, and there was just enough room to like turn left. And then I looked to the left again, and there's like a red 6.0, and it was like pretty far away. I'm like, ah, this will be fine. So I pull out, and I'm just like inching slowly forward, take a wide left turn. Obviously, we have a 40-foot gooseneck, and the trailer just kind of like it's a wide turn. Like I have to take up a lot of space, and this guy just floors it because he sees a SEMA vehicle, crashes right into the flat deck of the trailer, and like literally crashed into it and was like flooring it, trying to get more damage just to get an insurance check and like all that stuff. So yeah, that was pretty dumb, but luckily we had like a witness, and she like totally was like, that guy should have stopped and like just kept driving intentionally. She told that to the police, so I think we're good. And then we had another incident, cracked out homeless lady that got mad that I revved the engine a little bit, and she threw a rock in the truck. And then trailer.
But we made it.
We made it.
Finishing up on the driveway.
I'm like on the last part of wiring this whole front end up. Austin's kind of finishing up the rock lights. Josh is finishing up the backup lights. And then once we have this thing fully wired up, it's going to go to detail, get detailed. The last thing that we have to do is the Toyota logo and then the back like logos. And then literally everything is done on this thing. To see this thing detailed up.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna drop it off at detail. I mean, it is really exciting that we're like close to getting done. I think I'm honestly gonna have to get a grinder and like grind off those tabs for clearance a little bit, because it's definitely settled in the front. We'll probably end this video now. Thank you guys for watching this build series. We're still gonna continue the Sema grind and Sema footage, so you guys will have to stay tuned, because this video will come out on Tuesday, which is the first day of Sema, and we got tons and tons and tons of content at Sema, with all kinds of crazy trucks, cars, you name it. Smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you at Sema.
Back.